Hello, you guys. It's your girl Alyssa. Let's go ahead and jump into a full face today, girl. We're starting out with prep. I'm using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Eye Base. I got this deluxe sample from Sephora. I'm really happy I did because you guys know I love the Vitamin Enriched Face Base, which I will be applying right after this. But I do love a good eye base because it is important. It does make a difference to get that under eye moisturized prior to adding all of the powders and products, just like this vitamin enriched face base. So please know I did do my skincare routine prior to this. So this is on top of the skincare routine. I'm not only using the face base. For the brows, I'm going to start off with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter, just to tame these brows, get them into, lay them down a little bit. It usually helps when I'm trying to fill them in. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. I think I'm using maybe shade 4 today. Lately, I've been grabbing number 4. Number 4, number 4.5, and number 5 all works for me. So I'm just filling my brows in. And on this video, I use natural lighting. So that's why the light might be doing a little bit of fluctuating. However, I thought it looked pretty good. So let me know what you guys think. Give this video a thumbs up if you feel like the quality looks good. I'm usually filming at night. And today I was going to brunch actually. So it was early. So I'm like, oh, I'll use natural light. So yes, you guys know I love the Precisely My Brow Pencil. If you have not got your hands on this, girl, come on and go and get it. I love Benefit. So I would definitely recommend my brows be lasting all day. But anyway, I'm just here carving them out. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I'm blending that out with the Real Technique setting brush. And I'm also going to use that concealer for a base, for an eyeshadow. And I'm just going to blend it out all with this same brush. Today we're grabbing the Juvia's Place, the Mauves palette, and it's so pretty. I love this one. So I'm starting out with that lightest pinky mauve shade, and I'm just going to plop that all over with a nice little blending brush. Next, we're going to take that deeper mauve shade and concentrate that on the outer corner. And then I'm going to blend it into the crease as well. But I wanted to take a smaller brush just so it won't be as blown out as the pinky shade. Because we wanted to give like a pinky purple look today, which I hardly ever do. And I really enjoyed this look, you guys. So like I mentioned, it's going to be that pinky purple vibe. So I'm taking the pinker shade in the palette and I'm just pressing that on the lid. You can 100% use a flat brush to press it on. You can use a blending brush to get a nice seamless application of this matte shade to the lid. But I personally just like to use my fingers. I press it on there to get it nice and opaque. And then I'm going to go back in with the blending brush and just blend it out, buff it out the edges. And just try to keep the purple alive as well as the pink. Okay, so I added me some lashes as well as some liner, and we're going to move on to face. Going in with, you already know, my primer, the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. Just applying that all over the face and the forehead, making sure to just get us a nice sticky base so we can go ahead in with our foundation. And today, girl, I use a new combo, the Estee Lauder and the Fenty. So the Fenty is in 390 because the Estee Lauder is a little light. And I'm just going to apply that to my face and press that into the skin with the Real Techniques Instapop brush. And this combination was really good. At the end of the video, you will see that it was nice and flawless. I definitely would try it again. One thing though, it did kind of kick up around my nose. So I don't know if it was a powder, if it was a mixture, which I never really had that problem before, girl. So I do want to call that out. But it did sit on the skin really nicely and last a long time because I went to brush and we sat outside, girl, and it was pretty hot, okay? And this lasted. For concealer, I'm going to grab the Tarte Shape Tape. You really only need a little bit of this. So I'm starting out with the darker of the two shades and applying that everywhere we usually apply, girl. You already know. And I'm just going to blend this out with a brush. My Real Techniques setting brush is my favorite. So I went ahead and took the lighter shade and I just wanted to add a little bit of brightness just directly under the eye because girl, we was just doing the most today. You know, the Estee Lauder serves a full coverage and I paired it with a little bit of Fenty, then the Tarte Shape Tape will get you all the way together. So I'm like, you know what, let's just brighten it up a bit. As you can see, the concealer is still sitting on my nose because I don't want to blend it out too much. That's how I'm starting to do my nose highlight and contour. I blended it out just a little bit, as you can see. And then I'm taking the Black Opal foundation stick with a nice little foundation brush. And I'm applying that by just tapping it in. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a sponge and just continue to blend it all together, girl. Now y'all know I had to take my Makeup Forever powder. Every time we serving up a true biggity beat, you need this powder. I'm just going to press that everywhere I apply the concealer. And then I'm going to also move on to set completely with my Laura Mercier honey powder. And then, you know, we goes in with our Sephora Micro Smooth. So I'm just going to let this play so you can just see it all come together smoothly. So I wanted to go ahead and take my Sephora Micro Smooth powder and knock off of that Laura Mercier that I was using to kind of set the smile lines and just buff it all out, girl, because this is how you get a very smooth finish. You guys know I love the Sephora Micro Smooth powder. I did just purchase a new powder too, though. I'm going to be using that soon. So we'll see if it can, you know, show up the Sephora Micro Smooth. Now for bronzer, just to set the cream contour, I'm taking Fenty Beauty. I think this is Karma Cutie. And I'm just tapping that in. Just tap, tap, tap. You know, just applying it very softly. I think that's how you get like a nice airbrush look. And using some of the Morphe setting spray to melt all of those powders together, girl. Now for blush, I'm taking, I believe this is called Kinks and Kisses or something like that from Marc Jacobs. This is a very, very nice, pretty pinky blush. I wanted to bring out the pink in the eyes. I thought it went well together. You guys know I love blush. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you made it this far and you're not subscribed, girl. Now for this highlight, ooh, I'm obsessed with this Diamond Balm. It looks so, so good on the skin. Like, it just applies and it just looks like a shine or a sheen. Okay, so I mean, Fenty got sales going on right now. It's about to be holiday. Look at that. Ooh, come on. It's just bomb. Like, now I wanted to open up the eye a bit. I'm taking Honeydew from Colourpop and just going to apply a new liner to the eye. It helps open the eye up a bit, especially if you have really small, chingy eyes like me. This will give you a little opener when you throw them lashes on, girl. And then for the bottom lash mascara, I've been loving this Clinique bottom lash mascara. I believe that's the name of it. It's nice and small. It's only like $13 and it doesn't transfer. It sits on there really nicely. It doesn't really pair well with the primer. You know, the lash primer I usually use. But girl, Bad Stuff is the bomb. And I took that same Diamond Balm and put it in my tear duct. because we love a tear duct highlight over cheer. Now for the lips, I went back and forth with the lip, to be honest. So I'm starting off with the BFF3 Colourpop liner. This is my go-to. It always serves up. Then I went in with Juvia's Place Sus lip gloss, which this is really pretty. Their lip gloss formula is really, really bomb. But I wanted more pinky. I wanted more color. Because this is cute, right? It's cute. It's cute. Whatever. But I decided to grab Heroin by MAC. And y'all know this one is an OG. This one throwback, okay? And it just added that pop of purple that I really enjoyed. And then, guys, when I come back with my clothes on, y'all gonna see that I got a whole different lip. Because I just said I went back and forth with the lip. Forgive me. But this one is really cute. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I went in with another brown liner and then Lady lipstick from Juvia's Place, which, if you didn't know, I posted a lip swatch video using these lips. But yes, you guys, this is the final look. Come on, please give this video a thumbs up. Can you get into the skin, the highlight, and the smoothness, and the fact that we are glam bam bam, but we are looking like ourselves? You know, that's the goal over here on the ChicMarieB channel. Thank you guys so much. If you made it to the end of the video, comment down below purple hearts. Give some love. And I love all of you guys. And I'll see you on my next video. Peace.